Want to avoid having to pay $8,000 for a new roof when you weren't expecting it? Stick around while I outline some major home systems costs and how to save for them monthly. So you've been watching the past few weeks and you've heard me say over and over again, save money every month for home maintenance. But the golden question is, how much? So I've created a chart which I'm about to share with you in a moment, but I do need to warn you that the facts and figures that I've included are very approximate. How much you spend on a new roof or a new furnace can depend on a ton of different factors and can vary by quite a bit. My numbers are big generalizations and are just meant to give you a ballpark idea. So I've outlined 5 different major home systems. As you can see, the furnace, a central air conditioner, a roof, your major home appliances, which would include your kitchen suite, so fridge, stove, dishwasher, and your laundry, so your washing machine and your dryer, as well as a hot water tank. I've also tried to look into the average lifespans of each of those systems, and then using the approximate total replacement cost and the lifespans, tried to estimate or determine how much money you should be saving per month for each of those things so that you have the money saved up to, for example, get a new furnace in 15 years or to replace all of your major home appliances 12 years down the road. And in my estimation, I think you should be saving at least roughly $120 per month in order to make sure that none of those expenses, assuming that they happen towards their typical lifespan times, are not total out-of-pocket expenses for you and your family. Now, 2 things I want you to consider about this chart. One is that this chart is assuming that you're starting fresh with all of these major home systems. So you've bought a home that has a brand new furnace and a brand new roof and brand new kitchen and laundry appliances and etc. But odds are that you're probably going to be buying a home that has a roof that is 6 years old or a furnace that's 11 years old. So you're going to have to adjust your budget accordingly based on how much more time you think you have left for each of those systems. And 2, also bear in mind that those figures included in the chart are for replacement costs only and do not consider any kind of regular maintenance. So for example, if you have to repair your roof or repair your furnace, but not necessarily replace the whole system, my suggestion would be to take that $120 a month and top it up to $150 a month. That way you're saving $360 per year that you've got saved away in an account for those occasional repair bills. So if you want to avoid large out-of-pocket expenses while owning a home, be diligent about regularly saving money every month and you'll be prepared for those big hits when they happen. I'm Jamie Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. Thank you again so much for your time and I hope to see you again. Take care.